What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I'm excited to share this information with you guys today because in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 tips that you need to know and understand if you're going to be starting with your affiliate marketing business, right? So the 5 tips that I'm actually going to give you in this video aren't your typical tips that you will probably hear online. You guys know already that you need an autoresponder and a sales funnel. So the 5 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you today is going to be some insight and some other principles that you have to have in order to make consistent income. So before we actually jump into the video, guys, I want you to make sure that you check the link in the description. I actually have a free marketing system that you guys can plug into that's going to actually help you build your list, give you high converting squeeze pages, high converting sales pages, and it actually gives you the ability to make multiple commissions from different programs within the whole marketing system. It's on fire right now, so make sure you check the link and check out that free marketing system. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. We're starting right now. All right, guys, let's jump right into this video. So the 5 things that we're going to be talking about today are really like 5 success principles that I think that you guys need to hear if you're just starting out with your affiliate marketing business. So we're going to actually just jump right into these 5 things and we'll discuss it as we go along. So tip number 1 is you need to stay motivated. So when you first start out with affiliate marketing, typically you'll see a lot of different people, showing a lot of different income proof. You'll see gurus making, hundreds of thousands of dollars. And, mentally it kind of tricks you because you feel like, okay, if I just follow these simple steps, then I should be making these tens of thousands of dollars by next week. And generally, that doesn't happen. So you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but you have to stay focused. And you have to give yourself time to learn different skill sets so that you can actually put a solid business in place so that you can make consistent money online, right? So how do you actually stay motivated? Well, there's a couple of different things that I would suggest. I would suggest that you maybe watch motivational videos or audios, read books. Surround yourself with people that are doing positive, motivating things. Like I have other friends that don't do affiliate marketing that are doing trading and just doing other things with their life and their business that is motivating to me. So watching them succeed, it also helps me. It gives me motivation to want to continue on my path of affiliate marketing. So, motivation is something that you have to do for yourself. It has to be internal and innate. So I can't motivate you to do the work. You have to find something within yourself to go ahead and motivate you to continue your journey, because once you get over the hump and you start generating those affiliate commissions, all that hard work will definitely pay off. So tip number 2 is actually to invest in yourself and your online education. So if you're a newbie and you're just starting out, there's probably a lot of things that you don't know and you don't understand yet. So it's okay to purchase courses. It's okay to get a coach or a mentor and invest in yourself. I mean, there's a lot of things to learn when it comes to affiliate marketing, from sales funnels to email marketing to copywriting to traffic generation. There's different things that you need to learn, different skill sets that you need to have in order to make a consistent, successful affiliate marketing business. So there's nothing wrong with going ahead and investing in yourself, and instead of just trying to figure it out on your own and wasting a lot of time and money in the process. So tip number 3 is actually to build an audience. And I do talk about this a lot because it's basically how you're actually going to start generating money online, right? You have to build an audience first. You need to find a target group of people that is interested in a certain subject or certain product or service, and you need to build content to actually build trust and rapport so that that audience turns into raving fans of yours, and in turn, you'll actually start making sales, right? So you definitely have to build an audience these days, and the people that build audiences can basically make money on demand because they have a target market, a group of people that actually know, like, and trust them. And then when that person recommends products or services that will help them out or get them closer to a solution that they're trying, a desired result, they are going to go ahead and a lot of times purchase those products. So you definitely have to build an audience, whether it's doing social media or whether you're building an audience through like paid advertising, through pay-per-click or social media. But you have to build that audience and you have to give some value in order to build that trust and rapport. Tip number 4 is you got to have a little cash reserves, right? So when you're doing affiliate marketing, it's not like you need a ton of money to start out with, but you do need some money to get going with your business. At the least, you may want to have a website, to have like a blog so you can kind of like brand yourself and have some authority, and have an autoresponder because you're going to need that to build your list. And then you may want to have a little bit of cash reserves to actually do some paid marketing, try to get some initial traffic to your offers or your website. So it's not like you got to have thousands upon thousands of dollars to, get going with your business. But I would say you need to have, a few $100s to make sure you get your autoresponder, your hosting, and maybe a couple $100s to start doing some paid advertising to try to get you, out on the right foot while you do some of those free methods to drive traffic to your websites as well. And then the last tip is to just don't quit. Again, this business it can be tough. You have to work hard for it. And there's so many different people telling you so many different things. There's probably 10,000 online gurus here on YouTube that are all telling you different ways to make money, from Amazon to affiliate marketing to product sales to this to that to becoming a social media agency person. There's so many different ways to make money online, and what you have to do is you have to focus, pick one method, pick one strategy, and then you have to just go all in with that strategy, and you don't quit no matter what. You're going to have stumbling blocks, you're going to have roadblocks, there's things that are going to happen, you're going to get disappointed, you may not make money right away, but if you stick with it and you educate yourself and you can continue to motivate yourself, you will have a breakthrough, guys. You will have that breakthrough. So this is my 5 tips, guys, if you're really trying to make affiliate marketing a go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies to make money with affiliate marketing. Make sure you check the link in the description, guys, for that free marketing system that's going to do multiple things for you. It's going to give you a system that you can actually use to create income, as well as train you on a multitude of affiliate marketing things. This is John for JohnMcNeil.com. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.